Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can change the font on your iPhone on iOS 18. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes under the video, make sure to write your comments and also subscribe to this channel. So friends, let us get started with you. And please open up the Settings app on your iPhone. And then you'll need to scroll a little bit and find the General option. Now here also swipe a little bit and find the font. When you go to Font Customization, you will have two options. The first one is System Fonts and your fonts. If you want to download a font that you don't have on your iPhone or that you'd like to, say, make or find yourself, you go to the My Fonts section. Here you can open the App Store application and download the application with our fonts, and then you can customize them. Then you can also go to the font system. Here, as you can see, there are actually a lot of fonts that you can use on your iPhone. There are some that you have to download before you can see them, but there's ones that are already downloaded to your iPhone, pre-installed, for example. You can open such a font and see how it will look like. And you can also use any font on your iPhone, for example, in some applications in order to write letters in a different font. Unfortunately, this feature is not available on all apps yet, but let's say Mail does. So you can open Mail and then go to Create a Letter. And here you need to click here, and then this arrow on the right-hand side, and then this A sign here. Now you'll need to choose a font or change the font. And here, as you can see, there are many different fonts. You choose the one that you like. Then you can click on the cross and start typing the letter in the font that you have already chosen before. And as you can see, my font has been changed. This is how you can change the font on your iPhone, friends, on iOS 18. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to put likes, write your comments and subscribe to the channel.